Do you know how easy it is to train your subconscious mind into thinking that your desired outcome is already yours? Well, if you are watching this video and trying to seek for commands with which your subconscious mind can process your desired outcome, then you might not be familiar with how easy it is. But with this technique that I am going to mention today, it will be as easy as breathing. So if you just try out this technique that I will be mentioning in today's video, believe it or not, you can really be the master of manifestation. Hello, and welcome back to my new video. If you are new to my channel, hello. As I have already mentioned today's topic, I want you to buckle up in your seat and listen to me carefully till the end of this video. If you don't understand, rewind and listen to it again. If I am going slow or fast, there is always an option for the playback speed in the settings to the right side of this video. Calm down and listen to what I say, concentrate and understand. So let's get started. Before really getting into the technique, let's talk a little bit about our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is that part of our brain which has the capability to function on its own. The real challenge is that a human being has to consciously take control from that subconscious mind to make the best out of the subconscious mind. Now, I say this because our subconscious mind is programmed with various things, and those various things definitely come from our childhood. Therefore, the most of the things are really not relevant in today's world, or generally when we are already an adult, which is why it is very necessary to reprogram our subconscious mind. If you are interested to reprogram your subconscious mind, then there are another videos in this channel that I did post about how to reprogram your subconscious mind the right way. You can go and watch that after this video. Coming back to today's technique, it is basically about commanding your brain to manifest fast. I know that many people are unable to manifest the desire with speed, maybe because they lack the devotion towards the manifestation process, or sometimes it is the belief. Whatever the reason might be, people are just stuck in a phase of their life where they are not able to get out and manifest the desire as quickly as possible. People can manifest anything into their life in about 3 days. I know that's shocking to most of you, but if you are interested in that, I have posted another video where I have talked about manifesting your desire in about 3 or less days. If you are interested, you can go and watch that too. But for now, let's hop on to today's technique. For this technique, all you have to keep in mind, and throughout this technique, is that you don't have to overthink anything. Once you start to overthink, you start to lag behind. So throughout this technique, do remember, do not overthink anything. Okay, so let's begin with this technique. This technique will help you bring forward your desired outcome according to the way you want it. And this is basically done in terms of 3 commands, especially in form of thought, feeling, or an image. The first command that you have to give to your brain is called fun. I know what you are thinking. You are thinking fun is a simple word, and how is it a command, right? See, the thing is that our brain always functions more properly if the thing starts to become fun. For example, what will you choose if I tell you to choose between playing a game in your device right now, or picking up an ebook and start studying physics? Which one would you choose? Obviously, the game one, right? No doubt, isn't it? If you had only 2 options, then you would obviously pick up the option of game. The thing to pick up from this example is that our brain always chooses the fun rather than the not so fun part. That is why we tend to procrastinate. Maybe you have had an experience with your work. Whenever you have to do some work of your office or your school, you always tend to procrastinate it. You are like, okay, I'll do it after 1 hour, or I will do it after 2 hours, or I'll do it once the clock hits 12. We always procrastinate it because we don't find it fun. We don't associate fun with that thing that we have to do. We always think that a certain task is not fun if it is termed as a task. So, for this manifestation process, you have to attach fun with your desire. For example, if your desire is to have much more abundance than you have right now, And you know that to get that much abundance, you have to take a step forward either to call somebody, or you have to take a step forward to do certain work. In that situation, you can associate that work with fun. Once you associate that work with fun, and your brain catches that, then you can function with your full capability to accomplish and finish that work. It might not sound right to your conscious mind, but do not think about it. I said earlier, do not overthink anything. If it is okay to your subconscious mind, then it definitely does not matter what your conscious mind thinks. You just have to convince your subconscious mind by commanding your subconscious mind that the work that you are going to do is actually fun rather than boring. Now you can have image, feeling or a thought which represents your desire or that work. You can pick up the first thing that comes into your mind and associate it with fun. You can do that by inhaling and being immersed in that feeling, image, thought, color or anything that comes into your mind and saying fun at the end of it. Then after saying fun, when you are immersed in those things, you can exhale all of the air as much as you can, with the sense of relief, with the feeling of fulfillment of that desire. The next command is yes, just yes. This command, yes, will represent that you are allowed to feel and experience anything in your life that you want to, because I know that most of us stop ourselves from feeling certain things, from experiencing, because we think that they are not going to satisfy us that much, but we want to try it. So just let go and give yourself the permission to feel every emotion that comes to us. Maybe you don't have to engage yourself in those emotions, but you can feel those emotions if you want to feel it. Give yourself that permission to live freely without being captured by anything else, even if it is our own mind. So, for this command too, inhale and immerse in that feeling or image or anything that comes up to your head, the first thing you think about your desire, and then say yes, and then exhale with the feeling of relief. The third and the last command will be more. The same thing that you did in the first two commands. Repeat it with this command as well. Inhale and immerse in that feeling, thought, image, or anything that pops up to your head first. Then say more and exhale with the feeling of relief and fulfillment. The more in this command will represent more of what you are desiring. You know it goes hand in hand with the first and second commands, because the first command is fun, and with this command of more, you will represent more fun that is associated with your desire. The second command is yes, that you are given permission to yourself. So with the command of more, you are giving yourself more permission to feel every time you step on to the next step. These commands will help you so much to bring forward that desire of yours and to actually make you experience that expected desire in physical reality. If you are interested in videos like this, you can watch how to train your subconscious mind the proper way. And if you are looking for more techniques to manifest your desire, then you can watch videos that I posted in this channel to manifest your desire in about 3 or less days. By saying this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have come this far, I thank you for listening to me. If you liked this video, press that like button down below and share it with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me if you even subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thank you.